What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you with another cryptocurrency stream. And today we're going to be going over Bitcoin price, Electroneum price, and Zcash price. And guys, if you're new to my channel, I do calls. I like to predict the price of Bitcoin and where, coins that I'm studying are going. So if you guys are into a call site, this is the site for you. Be sure to subscribe and like, and I'm going to dive right into the price action today. So guys, Bitcoin still moving up a little bit. I said we were going to go up and sideways. We ended up having a straight shoot up all the way up to 9,800. Okay, guys, that was a big run. Okay, all the way down from 9,258 all the way up to 9,659. And the low, which was a day previous, was 9,150. Okay, and it on some exchanges went even lower. Okay, guys, so a big bullish engulfing here, a big run up, a bit of a sell-off going, another bullish engulfing. So guys, we might still be going up for a little while. It's looking good for July being a little bit higher. So I think that we're going to get some higher prices in July, like above 10, but then there's still going to be testing of resistances. It's going to be back to the same boat we were in a couple weeks ago when we were testing 10,000. And so let's see if we can actually break through the $10,500 level and remain above it for more than a week. So there's still a lot of work to be done if it's going to remain up there, guys. But that's the analysis on Bitcoin, just in short. And let's see if we can continue above this trend line here. We're still in this ascending triangle. Okay, that has a tendency to break to the upside by 70%. So let's see if we can stay above this trend line, okay, and remain in this ascending triangle. Okay, and then break to the upside into this red box. That would be the ultimate goal for the next few weeks, guys. So let's just keep an eye on that. I'll be giving updates every single day, okay? So keep an eye on that, guys. Let's jump into Electroneum. So Electroneum still in that downward channel, but we have some good news, okay? So we had a break to the upside, testing the 0.006. Okay, we got like almost right up to it, guys. We were very close, like 0.005. 597. Okay, so we were pretty close. Bit of a sell-off, panning back down to the bottom of the triangle, and then a sideways motion. So exactly what I said would happen, guys. A bit of a sideways motion here. Now it's still, looking just like it was from the 13th to the 16th. A sideways motion, nothing really going on. Price is fluctuating 1 to 2%. Nothing big, but that being said, if we put in some slightly higher highs and break out of this channel, guys, I can see us bouncing up towards the top of this triangle, but we have to actually start to put in above this trend line before we can start to think about that. So guys, what's going on right now is the Bollinger Bands are tightening up a little bit, and the 20 EMA is pushing towards the 55 EMA close. So that means that, and there's also a bearish engulfing, so I think the price is going to be headed down a little bit to just touch this yellow line again, okay? And then we're going to have another bounce, and hopefully we can just bounce out of this channel. That would be really good, because otherwise we're just kind of steadily moving down, losing about 5 to 10% every 2 weeks. Okay, guys, and that's not good for Electroneum. We want to see the price breaking above 0.006, so that way we can start to say, hey, we're breaking out of this channel, we're starting to get a reversal going. So guys, I am temporarily bearish on Electroneum, but we have a sideways motion right now. Let's see if we can break out and break bullish. Okay, I'm not, throwing it all out the window. I've said this many times. Electroneum project is very good. They're doing a lot of work. They're active, and that's all you can really ask for in a cryptocurrency. They're doing things with the community. They've got boots on the ground, as they say, and I think that a lot of work is being done. And in cryptocurrency, when there's work being done, good things happen. And we've seen it before with like Ripple skyrocketing all the way up to $3 and then back down. And let's, who knows, maybe we'll see that again soon. But coins like Electroneum, where Bitcoin's led the pack and been, all the way down to 0.008, all the way up to, $20,000. Now, do I think Electroneum will do that? No, I don't. But I do think Electroneum will hit a buck someday. And whenever there is, I shouldn't say whenever there is, we are in the next bull run. It's just when it feels like it's really kicking in, this sideways motion kind of feels like a reaccumulation stage still. And guys, that's understandable, but that doesn't mean that we're not in the scheduled bull run. I think we are, okay? And I think once we start to see a little bit higher prices, everybody will be singing that same tune. I'm singing it now. I want to make sure that everyone knows I believe this is the bull market already. Okay, guys, post-halving, I think we're in it. And we're just accumulating more and more. And as time goes on, I think the price is going to slowly start to trickle up, and then we're going to get some shoots up. And then, honestly, guys, you're going to be wishing you bought more bags even in the $9,000 some range. But back to Electroneum, guys, I think we just need to break out of this channel, and that's very important over the next few days. I said I'll be keeping you guys updated on it, and I will be. But I think we're actually going to be testing down towards this support and a little bit of bounce again, because we've already done that a few times. There's several bounces, okay? Look at that. Bounce, bounce, okay? So let's check out Zcash, guys. I know a lot of people are interested in Zcash. That's been getting a lot of price action recently. And basically, it is busted out of that ascending triangle. We have a breakout into the green box, okay? So basically, we had several bullish signs here, okay? The tightening of the Bollinger Bands, and then a wide opening gap where the 20 EMA shot up way above the 55 EMA close, and just the expansion of the Bollinger Bands. And now we have a bust all the way up $58.21. It's still going up. We're up 9% for the day. The low was $52, so that's a big price spike, guys. If you're watching Zcash or holding Zcash or got in anywhere back in March and April, you are in a great position, because this has just been on a massive upward channel since March. Okay, guys, this is just great. Zcash is on a very good tear right now. Now, guys, what do I think is going to happen for the future? Well, I used to mine this coin, so I've been very involved with this coin for a while. I've seen prices all the way up to $250, and I think the price has a lot of room to go to the upside. I think as long as we're in this bull market, the price will continue to surge up, and there's not going to be too many sell-offs until the bear market arises after new all-time highs. So, guys, and then think of it this way. Say like we don't hit all-time highs, and we still hit close to it. Say like we hit 16,000. The altcoins will follow behind Bitcoin, because that's honestly what they've done in history. Whenever Bitcoin has a big spike, the altcoins follow. I almost religiously, over all the coins, when I go over them on like Coin Market Cap or something, see a massive spike when Bitcoin had its run to $20,000. So when Bitcoin has another big run, I would just be remiss to not say to you guys that I think it's still going to be pulling the other coins up and making, everybody shine, basically. And let's check out a little bit of news, guys, because there's just so much happening. So, guys, I don't know if you know, but PayPal Bitcoin rumor boosts 12K BTC price rally chances, okay? So, sudden suggestions that Bitcoin support is coming to PayPal and Venmo, and this is causing traders to reassess the likelihood of a BTC price bull run, okay? So, guys, we were talking about prices being higher in July. With Bitcoin being involved with PayPal and Venmo, that's something that's very likely. As the news hit that PayPal processor was allegedly planning crypto buying and selling for its 305 million users, BTC spiked to the resistance of 9,600. So guys, that's why I think we had that price spike recently. And I think that after that price spike, all eyes are on 12,000. Hopefully we can break the $10,000 mark. And I think if we break the $10,500 mark, we're going to be seeing higher Bitcoin prices. So let's read a little bit about this. Meanwhile, the news has caused analysts to alter their outlooks on Bitcoin price action. A push above 9,600 increases the chances of 5 figures returning, at which point a breakout to 12,000 is already a firm possibility. So Cointelegraph market analyst Michael van der Poel agrees. In video update this week, he repeated his argument that strength in Bitcoin is there for a push towards 12,000 should a new resistance levels become support. So that's what I was saying, guys. Once we push past 10,500 and we get a little bit of stability there, that is a great sign. Now, if we just shoot right up to it and then pan right off, that's not a good sign. That means we got rejected again. And, there needs to be more strength built to actually test these higher prices. So guys, a lot of things kind of have to line up for the price to actually hit these higher prices. So I'll be keeping you guys updated, definitely. Be sure to subscribe and like if you haven't already, just so you guys can make sure you get these updates and follow this price action accurately. Okay? But I'll be keeping you guys updated for a $10,500 price. And let's be honest here, we're all you know, very connected to our crypto devices, you're going to see these prices too. But in general, it's getting in before them, guys. So that's what I'm trying to warn you guys about. Not warn, just enlighten you guys about. The price is going to be going up. July will roll around, the price will be higher, and you guys will just want to have more bags. Okay? So BTC price could boost to 12K in July, guys. Keep an eye out for it. Be ready. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I've been getting subs almost every single video I do. So that's just really exciting for me. That means I'm actually doing something right. So I'm very excited. All the way up to 50 subs and not even 25 videos yet, guys. So that's just awesome. Thank you so much for your support. If you haven't subbed or liked yet, please be sure to do so. Every time you guys sub and like, it helps the algorithm find my page more for you guys and get out there for everybody, and I'm just getting more interaction, and that's what I'm going for, guys. And that's all I have time for today. I'm gonna head back to the market, and I gotta get to the bank and do some other things crypto related. So guys, thank you for tuning in. This is Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.